Kia ora. Let's look at what you will find in this module, and as you can see, it's about titration curves, so I hope you get those jokes. Now, you will be working towards two standards. One is an internally assessed unit standard, and one is an examination standard that you will sit the exam in November. The unit standard is a very good practice run for the external exam. Otherwise, you could do for the unit standard if you want to limit the number of exams you're sitting, but it's easier to pass this external exam than the unit standard, simply because you must be very accurate and get all your calculations correct for the unit standard. There are 4 calculations. It's pH to pKa or Ka, or the reverse for a weak acid or for a weak base. So those are your 4 calculations. You must be able to draw titration curves. You must be able to choose the correct indicator, but there are no explanations. So you don't have to say why or anything. And note, though, that the unit standard does not count towards the 14 credits for UE, but it does count towards the 60 credits for your level 3. As far as the achievement standard goes, as I say, it's normally easier to pass, to get an achieved, although to get excellence, you must do a lot more. There is a much wider range of calculations, but you don't have to get them all right. It includes all that solubility from the 306 module, and as I say, there are lots of explanations in the exam. Right, so key ideas to focus on in this module, it's titrations, and so you're going to be drawing titration curves, so remember to label your axes, and you're going to interpret titration curves. The calculations are going to be all the ones that you've done in 306.2, so you are going to be repeating them in the context of titrations. And then there's a section on indicators. Remember also that for the exam, you are given a resource booklet with a whole lot of formulae and equations. You are not given these in the unit standard. So finally, I'm going to stress this again and again, make notes as you work through. Do paper notes. If your computer crashes or there's no internet, you can still access all your notes. Show your full working. Do step by step. Do lots of practice. If you want more practice, ask your teacher and check your answers. Have you left out a charge? All those little things that are really important. So I hope you get these jokes, and I hope you can work out what indicator this is. Kia ora.